scooter is just taking up too much space in the hall. And I don't want to hang it from the handles, because if I do, we'll probably end up with dents on the underside of the handles. So the solution I came up with is to clamp the deck of the scooter to the wall. Yeah. The scooter is going to be cradled like this. To clamp and unclamp, I'm going to use the same mechanism that the water bottle uses. The reason this style of mechanism stays clamped is because the handle goes past the point of most tension, then slackens off a little. When the clamps are pulled apart, the handle is pulled the other way and thus pushed harder into the base. On further analysis, I realised that this setup using these ones isn't going to work, because if it's anchored here, or if there's a bolt through here, then moving the handle is actually not going to do much of anything. It's not going to move forward until you're quite far over, like around here-ish, and then it will. But the deck of the scooter is going to be in the way for that. So I'm going to essentially have a piece very similar to this, but with just a longer region here. So it'll be about maybe this long, for instance. I've cut out the clamping part, so the scooter will fit here. These will be the static jaws. These will be the moving jaws. And they are going to be connected at this piece on the top. And then they'll also be connected back at the front here by another piece of wood. So these L brackets that will mount blue. Padding, I'm going to use some old inner tubes. I went out to a bike shop and to see if they had any old inner tubes, and they had loads that they could give away. So if you ever need some, that might be somewhere to check. This is not working. What I should do, and what I should have done from the start, is actually use all thread and have that as a pivot point, and then have it rotate closed onto the scooter. this urethane lacquer, I like to mix it about 1-to-1 with white spirit, as it makes it much easier to apply. The front bike hanger is just a little low and the bike interferes with the scooter, so I made this small block to fix that problem.